kami.
Ay, buli ko naman. Kaya buli ka ba na? Hindi ka na.
Nasa unahan natin ang tapat.
Oo. If I'm gonna fall, I'm gonna hold on you, okay? You have to say yes. I ask permission. Thank you. Because, yeah. Can you see it? Yes, dito ka, my dear. Yes. Oh, how did you do that? No, see, Hazel is over there. You have to go on that one. No, may pwesto pa.
Ayan, ma. Ay, dito tayo.
No, ako, dito na ako.
May basa dito sa likod.
That Niagara City Cruise. So, nandito na po kami.
Asa si ate? Nandito sa baba.
Nandun siya. O, yan si Hazel. Nakakuha ng magandang spot. Say hi. Nandiyan si Hazel. Nandito si Madeir. Oo, nakapwesto din. Nakahawak. Nakahawak din sa Madeir. Mamaya madulas siyang anak mo. So, it's ready.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Niagara City Cruises. May I have your attention, please? This is an important safety announcement. This boat is equipped with all necessary and proper firefighting and life-saving equipment. In the event of an emergency, our trained crew members will assist you with your life-saving equipment. For your safety, life jackets are stored in the labeled storage containers located throughout the boat. Instructions on how to wear life jackets are also clearly labeled on the storage containers. Life rafts are located at the stern of the boat. In the event of an emergency, please remain calm. An alarm will sound, and you will be directed by crew members on how to proceed. For your safety, please do not stand on the benches. Do not climb, sit, or stand on the rails. If you have children, please keep them in your sight at all times. Children must walk, not run. The decks may become wet and slippery. When moving about the vessel, please watch your step and hold onto the handrail, especially when going up or down the stairs and disembarking. We hope you enjoy your boat tour to the falls. Thank you for choosing Niagara City Cruises.
Hindi tayo nakasuot ng boat. Ang yabang natin. Magpapabasa talaga tayo ng hair.
Wala pa naman ata. Pag malapit, nandun na lang natin.
Yung phone nang mababasa.
Ay, oo. Saan ba dapat tayo? Bakit parang
Atras siya. Dali. Atras siya, girl. Yan. Yan. Wala na tayo mabasa. Hello po.
For the left side of the boat, where we will pass the American Falls. It can best be described as the American side of Niagara Falls, which in comparison is a smaller waterfall that lies far to the left of the Horseshoe Falls and is located between Prospect Point and Luna Island. According to scientific study and historical research, it has been concluded that the American Falls will eventually transform into a succession of descending rapids due to natural forces of erosion. The high flow rate of water causes the fall of large sections of bedrock from the American Falls, which is composed of soft shale and limestone. Though the height of the American Falls is higher than the Canadian counterpart, no daredevil ever preferred to go over the American Falls. All stunts were performed from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls, which is more popular with its immense water flow rate and shape. The height of the American Falls stands at 108 feet or 56 meters high. Its coastline is 1,075 feet or 328 meters wide. Its water flow is 75,000 gallons or 8,800 liters. In a recent notable landfall, in 1954, a large section broke off and fell near the end of Prospect Point. Next is Bridal Bay Falls. The smallest of the three waterfalls, it is located on the American side, just to the right of the separated by Luna. Boat path is much larger and separates from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls. The height of Bridal Bay Falls is 181 feet or 55 meters and remains the smallest waterfall compared to its two counterparts.
Kaya pala ano. Kasi ikot siya ulit mamaya. Ilang minuto lang pala ito, no? Bye! God bless Canada. Not America. Sama ng ugali. No? God bless America. Sorry po, joke lang yon.
Plus America.
So, ayan yung falls nila. Papakita ko sa inyo. Hindi naman pala tayo pupunta doon. Ayan siya, sa American side. Tapos saan tayo pupunta ulit yung sa atin na side? Ayan, yung
Niagara Falls, more specifically, is the name of 3 waterfalls: the American, the Bridal Veil, and the Horseshoe Falls. The Canadian side of Niagara Falls, with the highest flow rate and natural beauty located between Goat Island and Taylor Island, is known as the Horseshoe Falls. As a natural wonder of the world, the Horseshoe Falls named Crescent, or horseshoe-shaped crescent, and the city of Niagara Falls in all its natural beauty continues to be a holiday spot for millions of visitors from all over the world each year. Geological studies and the history of Niagara Falls indicate that thousands of years ago, the falls were located 11 kilometers downriver from its current location.
Look at those birds. Look at the baby one.
The average rate of erosion for Niagara Falls was as much as 1 meter per year until the early 1950s. Since then, the canals used for generating electricity have decreased the water flow, reducing the erosion of Niagara Falls, and to this day, Niagara Falls remains a clean and significant source of hydroelectric power. There are over 500 waterfalls in the world, but the largest waterfall in the world for volume of water flowing at an average of 750,000 gallons per second. Niagara Falls' interesting facts include the white foam floating on the water is dissolved limestone and is created naturally due to the massive erosion forces of falling water. The height of the Canadian Falls is 170 feet or 50 meters. The estimated crest line is 2,220 or 670 meters wide, and the depth of the river at the base of the falls is 110 feet or 56 meters deep.
May rainbow pa siya. May rainbow. Rainbow. Yes. Talaga pong mapapasaya. Wala ka makita na para siyang pagi pero nababasa yung phone. Yan. So yan po. Ayan ho siya. Basa yung phone. Yung phone ko basa. Pumasok kami doon sa loob. Kaya pala mababasa ka talaga. Ayan ako. Nilalapit nila, pero hindi naman totally lapit na lapit. Ayan siya. Ayan ho yung falls. Nakikita nyo ba? So guys, ayan po yung adventure natin for this time. And dahil lalagay ko naman. Kasi iikot siya ang ganito. Ato kami basa. So, nagsisigawan sila dito kasi basang-basa. Kasi ikot yung boat. So, we have those two things. So, basang-basa po yung damit ko. And then, may rainbow siya. So, ito yung, So, guys, thank you for watching and have fun with my other post.